What is up, everybody? My name is FJ Eric, and here's my newest mod. This is an ARB 50 quart. So as you can see, this thing has been used. I got it on an auction from eBay. So if you were in that auction, sorry, not sorry. And this thing is massive. As you can tell, it's kind of weighing down my board back here a little bit. Definitely gonna get a slide for it for sure. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it up top once I have some drawers built, or if I want to keep it on the bottom. That way it sits about like right here, give or take. I currently have this thing running on an 800-watt inverter, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I hooked that up. Super simple. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more complex than it actually was, and I'm not an electrician whatsoever, so if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can too. For right now, this is all I have sitting in it. And you can see there's a ton of room in here. So before I actually had it plugged in to anything, I was using it just simply as a cooler. So I just had a bag of ice, a few drinks, snacks, whatever else in there. And it actually worked fairly well, but obviously I do want it running all the time. So I'll show you how I did that. So here's the inverter. Just got it sitting right here behind the passenger seat. For right now, I'm probably gonna end up moving it. Really not sure when, but it'll definitely be a little bit further in the back. One thing that did come with them was all of these koozies right here. So if you want one, message me on Instagram. I'll send you one free of charge. They are just random as random can get. But yeah. All right, it's not working right now. So either this outlet back here doesn't work, or the whole fridge just doesn't work. I'm gonna start the vehicle and see if that helps at all. And I'm gonna also plug it up to this front one, because I know for sure that one works. Yep, that's on. I'm gonna set it on 32, let it run until it gets back to my place, and we'll see how cool it is then. So my drive home is about 15-20 minutes. We'll see if this fridge is still on and working. Really don't know anything about these things. Doesn't seem like it's chilling at all right now. So I'm gonna hook it up to the wall, and we'll see how cold it gets and how fast. As of right now, we do have power. It's showing 64 degrees. Currently have it set on 36. One of my friends that has one says usually fluctuates between anywhere from maybe 4 degrees up and down. We'll see how that works. It's extremely quiet though. Definitely feels a lot cooler than yesterday. Alright, so after 30 minutes, it's sitting right at 32, 33 degrees, which is actually pretty fast. But I am super stoked to get this in the car and start using it. So this is the Wagon Tech Slimline 800 watt. This is just gonna be straight out of the box. You've got the instruction manual, these two cables that we're not gonna use, and then the inverter. pretty slim. And I've got about 12 to 15 feet of cable lugs, and some electrical tape, cutters. All right, let's hook this up. We're gonna start by running this wire from the inside of the cab to the battery, and keep in mind this is just gonna be a temporary setup until I get a dual battery, so it really doesn't matter what it's gonna look like. Okay, so now that we've got both of these ran through, I'm going to be installing the cable lugs and this inline fuse to the end of these. And then we will unplug the battery and get all that stuff hooked up. A pretty cool little pocket knife, right? Plug the fridge in now. Alright, so went ahead and cranked the car just in case, but now to see if this fridge, yep, it's working. And then once you open this lid, it'll actually tell you all the instructions on how to calibrate. So to calibrate, it says to press the -3 times. Okay, so it's on low right now. So that's medium, high. We're gonna keep it set on medium. I've got a jump box just in case. So we'll see how that goes. Since I only have this thing running on a single battery, I've been turning it off at night. It's been about 40 degrees at night, so not really worried about it getting too warm or anything. But during the day, it's been going fine, working through jobs and everything. And I haven't noticed my battery draining at all. All right guys, so I guess that's it from me. Just like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.